Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore ActiveCampaign CRM custom fields formatting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring your ActiveCampaign CRM custom fields formatting, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Lists tab located on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Select the relevant list that contains the custom fields you wish to restore. Click on the Manage Fields option found in the Settings drop-down menu. Here, you will see a list of all existing custom fields connected to that list. Identify the custom field you want to restore formatting for. Click on the name of the custom field to open the editing interface. Review the current field settings and check if the formatting options are correctly set. If not, adjust the formatting options as needed. You can modify the field label, type, and any associated options. Once you have made the necessary adjustments, be sure to save your changes. To verify the changes, navigate back to the main list view. Select a contact to see how the updated custom field appears. Ensure that the formatting now displays as intended. If further adjustments are needed, repeat the process to refine the custom field settings. After confirming that all changes are correct, conclude your editing session by returning to the dashboard. This process ensures that your custom fields in ActiveCampaign are formatted properly, enhancing both functionality and user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.